In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Gmail on Android. Before we begin, a quick note. On Android, signing out of Gmail is done by removing the account from your device. This does not delete your Google account, it simply disconnects it from this phone or tablet. You can add it back anytime. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, glance at the top right corner for your profile icon. If you see multiple account icons or a small arrow, that means you have more than one Gmail account signed in. Tap your profile picture to view the list of accounts and take a moment to confirm which one you want to sign out of. It's important to double check you're working with the correct account before proceeding. Next, open the main Gmail menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. If you have more than one account, you'll see them listed here. Tap the specific Gmail account you intend to sign out of so that you're adjusting settings for the right one. With that account settings open, look to the top corner for the three-dot menu and tap it. Choose Manage Accounts. This option may take you to your device's system settings where all accounts on your phone are managed. That's expected. Once you're there, tap the same Gmail account again to continue. Now you'll see the option to remove the account from your device. Tap Remove Account. A warning will appear explaining that emails, contacts, and other data associated with this account will be removed from the device. This is normal. Your information remains safely stored in your Google account online. To proceed, tap Remove Account again to confirm. After a moment, the account will disappear from your Gmail app and from other Google apps on this device. That means you've successfully signed out of Gmail on Android. Remember, this action signs you out of Gmail and other services connected to the same Google account on this device, such as Google Drive, YouTube, and the Play Store. If you need to sign back in later, simply open Gmail, tap the profile icon, choose Add Another Account, and follow the prompts. That's all there is to it. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.